Protect Marine Deck and Engine Officers of the Philippines Incorporated is an accredited maritime training institution, established in the year 2000. It is founded on the ideals that a discipline and professional performance of seafarers on board is the result of thorough training, hands-on participation, competent instruction of skills, and basic support knowledge. A well-equipped training center, both for facilities and professional instructors and assessors, provides a thorough steps of regimented training programs that will develop a seafarer with a disciplined attitude, able to create an ideal and safe working environment on board. Our simulator equipment for deck and engine are supplied by a world-renowned supplier, the Kongsberg Norcontrol of Norway, and has been the front-runner in providing quality training to seafarer with the maximum use of these simulators, according to the prevailing national and international standards as laid down by STCW 95. Ship Simulator and Bridge Teamwork, with Bridge Resource Management. Engine Room Simulator Course. Management Level Course for Deck Officers, Function 1 to 3. Management Level Course for Engine Officers, Function 1 to 4. Electronic Chart Display and Information System, 8DIS. Consolidated, MARPOL 73/78, Annexes, 1 to 6. Ship's Security Officers Course. Automatic Identification System. Safe Navigation and Collision Regulation. Ship Security Awareness. Deck and Engine Watchkeeping Course for Ratings. At present it has constructed a world-class training facility as venue for the following safety training courses. Basic Safety Training. Medical Emergency First Aid. Medical Care. Proficiency in Survival Craft and Rescue Boats. Proficiency in Fast Rescue Boats, and Advanced Training in Firefighting. A replica of merchant vessel is created in the middle of a very large pool, to serve as the training platform for basic safety training. These includes fire prevention and firefighting using the different portable fire extinguishers such as dry chemical, foam and CO2. During these practical evolutions, trainees are provided with personal protective equipment, such as the self-contained breathing apparatus, which are all brand new with IMO certification. Like a real vessel, it has a complete set of different life-saving appliances, as required by Marina for training in personal survival technique, and proficiency in survival craft, and rescue boat, the enclosed lifeboat, for launching and recovery, in the event of abandoned ship, the life raft and the rescue boat, for rescue of man overboard. Entry, in the event that there is no more life raft or lifeboat available during abandoned ship, can be safely done in this huge pool. righting, and inverted life raft and helicopter rescue, which are required competency for safety training, can be safely performed in this facility. Rescue training using the fast rescue boat is ideal with the accessibility of the open sea from the training site. A fast rescue boat is provided for this purpose. With a maximum speed of 42 knots, it will give the students a lot of learning experience with fast rescue boat. Classroom instructions are conducted in an air-conditioned room, with computers and multimedia projector for PowerPoint presentation. Students can take their meals at the canteen. The training site has its own water purifier facility to provide the students with clean and safe water for drinking. After a day of training, the students can relax in an entertainment room with huge TV screen, or play dart, table tennis, or play the guitar. Tired and exhausted, they can rest and have a good night's sleep in a fully air-conditioned dormitory capable of housing 200 students. This newly created training facility is located in a peaceful town of Situbombone, Barangay Ocamia, Karkar City, which is more or less 38 km from the Cebu city. 2 aircon buses are available to ferry our trainees from Cebu City to Karkar City and vice versa, to guarantee their safety and on-time departure arrival. The training regime is manned by dedicated training staff composed of seasoned seafarers and retired naval officers, supported by disciplined and devoted workforce, complying with the processes and procedures, in adherence to the guidelines of ISO 9001:2008. Certified by DNV for its international standard system of management. Protect Marine Deck and Engine Officers of the Philippines Incorporated. Sets the standards of maritime training.